Is your CyberPower UPS no longer holding a charge? Let's replace out the batteries. It appears there's several versions of the CyberPower UPS available at Costco. This one is model number CST135XLU, and the battery replacement process is different from the one I did in a video 4 years ago. Alright, let's replace out the batteries. And the process is relatively simple. You'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver and the replacement batteries. I'll put a link to the batteries used in the description below. And before starting, make sure that the unit is unplugged and powered off. And lay the UPS on its side and remove these two Phillips head screws located on the bottom of the unit. And now push down on this area right here, and the cover will slide off. And there are two batteries in the unit. Let's start with the one on the right. Let's disconnect the positive. And there's a yellow cable in the back that's connected to the second battery in series. And on the left, let's disconnect the negative and the yellow that connects to the battery on the right. And the new batteries come with these little covers that need to be removed. And the yellow cable is a bit tight, and just keep in mind that you can move it to the left and right as needed. All right, we'll start with the left battery. Gonna connect the yellow terminal to the positive of the battery, and the black from the UPS to the negative of the battery. And since I pulled the cable to the left, I'm gonna pull it to the right so that it fits back into the left spot. And for the right battery, I'm going to connect the yellow to the negative and the red to the positive, and then reinsert the battery. And confirm that the batteries are installed snugly and that the 4 terminals are still connected. And then we're going to slide the cover back on. And now let's reinstall the 2 screws. All right, I just plugged in the battery. Let's power it on. Oh, even though the battery capacity says it's at full, I'm just going to let it charge overnight before putting it into production. And the batteries have been left charging overnight, and I just connected my computer and my monitor, and let's give it a test. I'm going to unplug the UPS. Nice. The computer and monitor are still running. And the replacement batteries are working as designed. I'll put links to these batteries in the description below. One thing that I do request is please dispose of the old batteries properly, and if you happen to like what you see, please click like and consider becoming a subscriber. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.